Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add audio effects on CapCut Browser. So select audio, and I'm just going to use the ones from here. For instance, this one, just press the plus button and it's going to be added to the project. And then to add the voice effects, you're going to scroll down until you find these. There is the Megaphone, Lo-Fi, Vinyl, Synth, Electronic, Tremble, Distorted, Low Battery, Chipmunk, Robot, Elf, Deep, High, Low, Mic Hog, and Echo. And for instance, you want to add this lo-fi effect, just click on it and it's going to be added to the audio. But I can't play the audio because I don't want to get copyrighted. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!